Removing Mastercard on Play Store. In this video, you are going to learn how to remove Mastercard from Google Play Store. So let's get started. The first step is go to the Play Store app in your mobile phone, and after going to the app, you will see a screen like this. From the upper right corner, select or tap on the option of your profile. It will appear as a picture or the first icon of your name. After tapping on it, a screen like this will appear. From here, go to the section that says Payment and Subscription and tap on it. After tapping on it, you will see all of these options that says Payment Method, Subscriptions, Button and History and Redeem Code. Click on the option that says Payment Methods. After tapping on it, you will see all of the credit and debit cards you have added. Click on it and now you can remove or add any gift card by entering your email. That's all. That's how you will be able to remove Mastercard from Google Play Store.